Hi everyone. Today marks a special milestone for me. This is my very first time on any social media platform. I must admit, I am quite nervous. I've always wanted to do it, but nerves. I've come to realize though that it's a way of connecting with all of you in a whole new way. So why not? Anyways, I recently found myself unemployed. So this is the best time. Here I am several months later. I have started Samhu Naturals, my natural hair care business. Here, I am restocking our leave-in conditioner made with ingredients like neem seed oil, castor oil, wheat protein, provitamin B5, and many more ingredients for strong, conditioned hair. Also try our super hair growth oil made with 16 of the best oils for hair growth, like Jamaican black castor oil, amla oil, jojoba oil, mustard seed oil, rice bran oil, etc. Try it, you will love it. Also try our hydrating hair cream made with shea butter, hemp butter, avocado butter, and a blend of oils for nourished, moisturized hair. We also have our black soap shampoo that will leave your hair clean but never stripped of its natural oils. Products are made with love in small batches. Please support my small business by going to samhunaturals.myshopify.com to place your orders. Many more products to come. Thank you for all your support.